morning children. Today we are going to learn 8th and 9th chapter Science Quiz and the Sun and its Family. So let's get started with chapter 8 Science Quiz. First question. Complete the following statements by choosing the correct answer from the brackets. Here I am sharing answers with you. First question. Dash was first to give the concept of atom. Answer Kanada. Maharshi Kanada was ancient Indian scientist, sage and philosopher who proposed that atom is an indestructible particle of matter. Here you can see Acharya Kanada. Second question. Dash was first to determine the size of Earth correctly. Answer Eratosthenes. He invented a system of longitude and latitude. And these are imaginary lines. You people know, we have learned this in SST. And made a map of the known world. Here you can see Eratosthenes. Third question. Dash was the first person to drill out oil from beneath the surface of Earth. Answer Edwin Drake. He is also known as Colonel Drake. He was an American businessman and the first American to successfully drill for oil. He is Edwin Drake. Next, Dash was first to detect radio waves. Heinrich Hertz. He was a German physicist who first proved the existence of the electromagnetic waves predicted by James Clerk Maxwell. Here you can see him, Heinrich Hertz. Next question. Dash prepared the first artificial gene. Harbindo Khurana. Harbindo Khurana. Next, the first medical college in India was established in Kolkata. It is an Indian medical school and hospital. The school was established in 1835 by Lord William Bentinck as Medical College, Bengal during British rule. Seventh question. Dash is the father of the hydrogen bomb. Edward Teller. Edward Teller. Dash is considered to be father of plastic surgery. Susruta. Here Susruta. Then Dash discovered radioactivity. Henry Becquerel. Here you can see Henry Becquerel. Next, Dash discovered that malaria is caused by a particular type of mosquito. Ronald Rose. Dash discovered penicillin. Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. A toxic substance called nicotine is present in tobacco, which is very harmful to our health. 13th. Dash is used in a refrigerator for cooling purposes. Freon. Dash is the most abundant element in Earth's crust. Oxygen. That's why people can live on Earth. Next, deficiency of iodine causes the disease goiter. Your neck gets swollen up due to deficiency of iodine. 16. Soda water contains carbonic acid. 17. Dash fuel is used to drive a rocket. Liquid hydrogen. 18. Dash is known as the brain of the computer. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Here you can see Central Processing Unit. Which one of the following insects grows its own food? Leaf cutter ant. Here you can see leaf cutter. Cuts leaf. Next question. Which one of the following animals is dreaded as a baby lifter? Hyena. Here you can see the image of hyena. Which vitamin prevents bleeding of gums? Vitamin C. Which of the following instruments is used for recording earthquake? Seismograph. You can see the image. Sulfuric acid is also known as oil of vitriol. Chapter 9. The Sun and its Family. The Sun's family. The Sun, 8 planets and their satellites, comets known as tailed stars. Now what is this comet? Comets are dusty snowballs which orbit the sun. They are made of ice such as water, carbon dioxide, methane mixed with dust. These materials came from the time when the solar system was formed. Meteors known as shooting stars. Shooting stars means टूटता हुआ तारा. And asteroids known as dwarf planets. Now what is this dwarf planets? Dwarf, you know, they are very small in size. So dwarf planets means which is smaller than Mercury yet large enough for its own gravity. It is a celestial body that orbit around the sun. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets of the solar system. Out of these, Mercury and Venus are closer to the sun than the Earth. The rest are farther away from the sun than the Earth. Mercury and Venus have no moons. The other 6 planets have moons. All planets move around the sun. Their path around the sun is called the orbit. Stars seem to twinkle, but planets shine with a steady light. Stars are self-illuminated. Self-illuminated means they have its own visible light, while planets shine by the light of the sun. So here you can see our solar system and our 8 planets. Let's start with our first planet, Mercury. It is the smallest of 8 planets. It is nearest to the sun. It is smaller than the Earth. Mercury is either seen in the east just before sunrise or in the west just after sunset. Mercury is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the gods. It is only a bit larger than Earth's moon. Next, Venus. It is second closest planet to the sun. It appears the brightest of all stars and planets in the sky. Venus is the hottest and the most radiant planet of the solar system. It is also called the morning star. Now Venus, it is almost the same size as Earth and is also referred to as Earth's twin. This planet is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty because of its brightness. Next, Earth. The Earth is one of the 8 planets revolving around the sun. Like other planets, it is also lighted by the light received from the sun. It has water and an atmosphere and is perhaps the only planet which has conditions suitable for life. It has one moon. Earth is the only planet not named after a Roman god or goddess. Next, Mars. It looks like a star shining with a reddish gleam. It is the red planet named after the Roman god of war. There are volcanoes on Mars. Mars has 2 little moons. Mars is more like our Earth than any other planet. It is described as the red planet because the iron oxide on its surface gives it a very reddish appearance. Mars takes 687 days to orbit the sun. Jupiter, the giant planet. It is the biggest of all the planets of the solar system. It is more than 1,300 times bigger than the Earth. Mercury, Venus, the Earth and Mars are all solid balls of rock. Jupiter, however, is a big ball of liquid surrounded by thick clouds of gas. Jupiter takes 12 years to orbit the sun. The Romans named the planet after the Roman god Jupiter. It has 67 moons. The Great Red Spot is a huge storm on Jupiter that has raged for at least 350 years. It is so huge that 3 Earth could fit within it. So it's very big. Next, Saturn, a many ringed planet. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It is nearly 800 times bigger than the Earth. This planet is surrounded by 7 rings. The rings are formed from billions of pieces of ice. Now, Saturn has the most extensive rings in the solar system, which are made of chunks of ice and carbonaceous dust. Next, Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the Sun. It consists of rocky core surrounded by a deep ocean and covered by thick clouds of gas. Uranus was the first planet which was discovered with a telescope. It has about 15 moons. The Greek god of the sky. Next, Neptune. It is the 8th and last planet from the Sun. It was named after the Roman god of the sea. It is over 50 times bigger than the Earth. It has 8 moons. Next, exercise. Here I am sharing you the correct word. In your textbook they have asked to strike out the incorrect word. Here I am giving the correct word. Neptune is named after the Roman god, the sea. Stars are self-illuminated heavenly bodies. Mercury is the smallest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Mars is known as the red planet. There are 8 planets of the solar system. All planets move around the Sun. Mercury is closest to the Sun. The Earth has 1 moon. Neptune is the last planet from the Sun. That's all for today. Go through it, learn it. See you next time.